Are you a student, whether in the university, a senior high school, junior high school, or even primary school, and you're having problems with your academics? You're facing challenges with your assignments, your presentations, and even understanding your course. In today's video, I want to introduce you to three AI tools that will make your life 10 times easier as a student. Yes, you heard me right. Three AI tools that are going to make your life 10 times easier as a student. Let's get right into the video. The first one is ChatGPT. I know most of you have heard of ChatGPT a couple of times, but I can tell you, you've not made use of, you've not made full use of this software to benefit you as a student. So join me as I illustrate to you how this works. First of all, this tool works on both laptop, your mobile phones, and whatever device you are using. Once it's connected to the internet, then you're good to go. So just into any browser and just type chat GPT and just enter. It's going to pop up for you. You just select the first one, and after doing that, if you're a first time user, you would have to sign up. But if you already have an account, you just sign in and then you are good to go. You're good to go. So this tool is one of the powerful AI tool this world has ever experienced. And as a student, you have to make full use of it to benefit your life in your academics. So this is it. And I'm going to show you how to make good use of it. So first of all, I'm going to teach you. Let's say you're a university student, and then you have this slide that anytime you pick it up to read, you are unable to understand what the slide is talking about. I have the solution for you. So if you have the slides or a device or any piece of document that you're supposed to read as a student, and you don't get to understand what the document or what the course is about, just up onto ChatGPT and click on this plus sign. I'm sure you've seen this plus sign, yes. And you just click on this option, add photos or files. So you click on it, it will take you to your device storage, and then you can choose the document you want more explanation on. So you just choose the document and then you open. Yes. So you could see the document has been uploaded here. So all what you have to do, or what you have to tell Chat GPT is maybe I want more, or I want you to give me more explanation explanation of this topic. Yeah, topic. Yes. And once you do that, just enter. Yes. You're going to see, you could see chat producing right from the document or the file you uploaded to give you a detailed explanation on what the slide is talking about. So right now you don't have to worry as a student on understanding what a topic or oh no. Don't go through that stress. Just upload it on Chat GPT and it's going to give you exactly what you want. You can see breaking it down for you to understand. Yes. And this is amazing. Yes. So this is what you can do or you can make use of ChatGPT to do. Yes. Now the second AI tool I would like to introduce you to is Canva AI. Canva AI. You may have heard of it before. I want to introduce you to something interesting as well. So let's open a new tab and just type Canva, Canva AI. Just enter. Yes. Just click on this. And then if you're a first time user, you would have to sign up. Have to sign up here. As you can see, I'm already signed up. So I have an account here. All I have to do is just log in. Yes. So let's continue. So all what you have to do is just create a presentation with AI. So most people know Canva for editing images, um, making flyers, and other stuff. But I can tell you, Canva can also be used in creating presentations. Yes, you heard me right. Presentations. So if you're a student in school and then you need an AI tool to to create your presentation, and I tell you Canva is the right app for you or is the right software for you. So there are a lot of templates you can use. You could see, yes. So you don't have to go to um or look for a Microsoft PowerPoint. No, you have this tool here for you. So all you need is just copy and paste into these templates. Yes, just copy and paste into these templates, and then you're good to go. Yes, you're good to go. There are a lot of templates you can use depending on your preference. Yes, so just play around with it and find which one suits what you want. And then last but not the least, the name of this AI tool is Slides Go AI. Slides Go AI. So let's go check it out. Slides Go AI. You can see here. Yes, you just enter and then you click on yes. As I said earlier, if you're a first time user, you would have to sign up um before you create an account. Yeah. But if you already have the account, you just sign in and then you are good to go. So you could see how the interface is. And one thing you should know is this is a partially paid or partly paid um, software or website. So as a student or a creator or someone who has an account on this site, you have three downloads to make, and then you can go ahead to upgrade and make payments if you want to really enjoy or want to fully enjoy the app. Yes. So you can see what is written here. It says, "What is your presentation about? Turn your idea into stunning slides in seconds." So I'll I'm going to type in it um, theories of development. That's something we learn in school. And you can select the number of slides you want. It could be 8 to 12 slides. It could be 12 to 24 slides. But for me, I prefer 8 to 12 slides. You can also add an image. You can even attach a file. Maybe you've typed your work already and you just want it to convert it into slides for you. So you just upload your document and then Slides Go AI will take it from there. So this is just what I want. So I just go straight and click enter. And you could see it will provide for you a number of things that you could select from. Yes. And very good number of themes I could select from. So I'm going to go with this. Then you continue. Continue. So you could see slidesgo.ai is generating your slide content. So just sit back and wait for for it to generate everything you've asked it to do. Yeah. So while you're sitting, you can just get some drink and be sipping because your work is done. The work is done. Yes. So just wait for the AI to just produce your results for you. Yeah. And if you are finding this video very helpful, make sure to like, make sure to share to your friends, your colleagues who also have the same, who may find this very helpful. Yeah, so that they also have a soft life, just like you're having. So you could see the results has been generated. So this is a review of what the final work is going to look like. If you like this, you can continue or you can go ahead to generate. But if you want to make some certain changes to it, then you can edit and can actually just click on it and you can add anything you want. Yeah, but I prefer mine like this. So it depends on what you want. And just go ahead to generate presentation. Just go ahead to present your and generate your presentations, and then this will take a few seconds. Yes. So as I was saying, make sure to share, make sure to like, make sure to follow and subscribe to this page. Yes. And expect more content like this. Yes. So you could see it's ready. Our work is ready. So all you need to do is just download, and then you're good to go, friends. Thank you very much for joining this tutorial session or this amazing video.
In focus, no pretense. You're tuned into the grounded lens. Every story, every trend, we break it down, start to end. Oh.